Okay, what I've done with this is just split it into little mini videos, okay? So we can take it one step at a time. This is all notes, okay? What you do is after you complete the first video, you click on this screen that says it's the Google Classroom icon, okay? You'll click on that, and then there's going to be a list of the next of videos, okay? You're on the first one right now. You're going to click this, and you're going to go to video number 2, okay? That's how we're going to do this. I don't want to open them up all at the same time, but you're going to click this little link. It's right there, and you will click, and you'll see that there are 4 links. You just click them, go in order. Now, this is the intro. Now, we know how to multiply this. We put 1s in front, then we start drawing our rainbows. So I start with 1x, and I distribute it into the other parentheses. So 1x, 1x. I write that down twice because I drew 2 rainbows, and then 1x and positive 4. And then I can cross this out, and then I have my 3. So 3. Again, there's 2 things to multiply 3 by, and you're multiplying it by the same 2 factors, 1x and 4. Okay, it's always a good idea to put exponents on your variables when you multiply. So 1, 1, 1, and nothing, nothing, and 1, and then nothing. So 1 times 1 is 1, and then on x, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4x, and that's to the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, and that's x to the 1. And 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so now that I have that done, I go blank x to the second plus blank x plus blank because I have these 2 that will need to be combined. So we have 1, 3 plus 4 is 7, and then we have 12, okay? And that's my expression. Now, here's what this packet's about, and this is why we had to do what we did the past few days. We're taking these 3 things today, and we have to get back to the 2 parentheses, okay? You're trying to figure out, instead of going from here and trying to get here, you're going back the other way. Now, you're wondering, why would anybody want to do that? Well, you're going to need to know how to do it to solve some of the equations coming at you. Okay, with the F1, the F2, if you remember those. Okay. Now, here's what you're doing on vlog 1. Now, what you're going to do is watch me do this, and then you are going to go to number 2 on the link I said. Okay, video number 2, and you will go back to this problem, okay, and continue the process. Okay, now, here's all we're doing in this part of the vlog right here. You are going to make a table like this, and you're going to label your numbers A, B, and C. Then you're going to make a little connection from the A to the C and make a multiplication sign. We need to multiply 1 by negative 18. It's negative 18. Now, here's what I do. I just put 18 with a negative sign and a circle on top. That's all we're doing in this part of the blog. Make your table. A, B, C. Connect the A to all the way across to the C. I take positive 1 times positive 30, and I get 30. Now, it doesn't have a negative, so it must be positive, so I put a positive up there. Okay, that's a 3 right there. Sorry about the poor writing. Make your table. A, B, C, and we'll always be taking the A times the C. Now, I just times the numbers. I don't worry about the X and its power, okay, when I do this. 1 times negative 28. 28's negative. You got to multiply it as a negative. And that's negative 28. So 28 negative. A, B, C. Times. So 1 times negative 15, that is negative 15. 15 negative. Next page, pretty easy, okay? A, B, C, and we take A times C. Anytime we see this is called a trinomial because there's 3. To factor a trinomial, this is the way we do it, A, B, C. So 1 times 10 is 10, okay? Now it was positive 10, so I put a little positive there. A, B, C. Put the dot so you know what the operation is that you're doing. 1 times positive 3. Positive 1 times positive 3 is positive 3. So 3, put a little positive. A, B, C. So I take positive 1 times negative 24. I got negative 24. So I put 24 with its negative above it. A, B, C. So I take positive 1 times positive 36. 36. It's positive 36, so 36 with a positive. A, B, C. So I take positive 1 times negative 20. Negative 20. By the way, you also have a number line sheet. You don't need that till the final, or till one of the other ones. 20, it's negative, so I need to put a negative here. A, B, C. And that's times. It's always times. Sorry about that. If I'm not clear what I'm doing here. 1 times negative 14. Put a 14 with a negative above it. A, B, C. Times. Then I take positive 1 times positive 45. It's 45 positive. A, B, C. Positive 1 times positive 42 is positive 42. Okay, that's the end of this vlog. Go to vlog number 2.